Welcome to Off Grid Contracting. Guys, in this video today, I want to share with you a van install that we've done for solar. We put two fan systems in it. It's got 400 watt of solar on the roof, and then I'll show you the interior in a moment. But what I'm going to do first is, right before I spin the camera, I want to show you that we done something a little different with this install. Is we mounted an extra Go Power input on the side of the vehicle so that the customer can put an additional 200 watts of solar into the van later whenever they're parked with their unit. And with that said, I'm gonna spin the camera, go up top, and I'll show you that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Incredible Tiny Homes today. I want to say thank you to Randy for allowing me to use the lot to do this install for this customer. What we've got right here is one of the fan systems on the van, and that has been double siliconed on the exterior and interior, and that was custom cut out by us and put in the other day. Here's the other unit. I'll show you them in operation here in a minute. What we done on the top of this is that where it was Renogy panels, they're 100 watt modules, where they were hard mounted direct to the surface, we put them up on the ribs. We made sure to space them so that they're on top of ribs, so that when the rain hits, it goes down in the channels away from them. But also we siliconed over top of the fastener, so underneath they're siliconed and over top they're encased. So double insulation there from the rain, because I just don't want leaks on structures. We're going on 6 years deep with these type projects and no problems yet, and don't want to start. But I really encourage you, if you're going to do that on top of your structure, if it's you got a mobile van or a truck or anything like that, you're doing it on top of the camper or something like that, really encourage you to put silicone over top and underneath. And if you're doing the rubber pads, do silicone pad, silicone metal bracket, silicone over top of the screw. So anyway, I'm going to go inside and I'll show you that now. Okay guys, so here we are in the customer's van. On the interior. Now, what's going to go in here is 2 inches of foam, and then it's going to be tongue and groove, I believe, that's going to go underneath that, so you won't see the wires or the fasteners or anything like that. Now, what we done is we ran all the wire through the interior channel, with the exception of these 2 wires right here, and it was just because of how it comes down in the cross member. There's not an opening there, and we didn't drill out because I don't want to damage structural on that or anything, so that's going to be hid behind the insulation and the tongue and groove, and that went into that channel there and down all the way hidden to here. And what's going to happen here is that will be hid underneath a bed, and this right here will go onto the tongue and groove wall, so all this will be pretty much hidden. And then we have the battery bank here, and what we done is we tied in to the fan system. The ground is directly connected, but the circuit itself is tied on a breaker to service both those fans. Disconnect for a charge system, disconnect for the roof mount, disconnect for the exterior, which is directly through to the other side. And then here is the Renogy charge controller right there. And down here we have the fuse system, and then this is the inverter that the customer selected. It is a Renogy 3000 watt pure sine 12 volt 110 VAC 60 hertz inverter. It's got some neat features, guys. It's got a USB port built in on the front, so you can do a USB hub off that one, direct into the wall. It's got direct hardwire mount, multiple plugs on the front. Nice solid little inverter. And so pretty much, guys, that wraps that up as far as that goes on that. Remote for that fan, if you want to check it out, I'll drop you a link in the video description below if anybody's looking to invest in one of those. Let's see, we'll step right here and show you this unit running. And you can adjust the speeds on the units, likewise, etc. It has a little mount that you can mount onto the wall. You can cycle air in and out, so it's like an air exchanger that you see on a lot of tiny house units. And then close it back down. And all self-contained. So really neat little piece of equipment if you're looking to invest in one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. If you want to go off-grid, make sure to check us out at offgridcontracting.com. And as always, until we see you again, look forward to working for you.